Gemma yma a croeso I Pysgod Mawr a Pysgod Fach. Y sesiwn heddiw ar gyfer 2 a 4 oed. So welcome to Big Fish, Little Fish. That's our session today and my name is Gemma and today's class is for 2 to 4-year-olds. Now today, we're going to go on an adventure under the sea. I wonder what we might find. Are you excited? Me too! Now before we begin, I want you to make sure you've got as big a space possible to do your dancing in. You need to be able to stretch this way and that way. You need to be able to go all the way up and be able to go all the way down. And then make sure you can go round and round without touching anything. Excellent! And just make sure that the floor, there's nothing there that you might trip on. So just make sure it's really clear, okay? Make sure you've got some water on hand, just in case you need a drink. And don't forget, you can always pause the session and join back in when you feel like it, okay? Are you ready? Should we dive right in and go under the sea? Ready? Barod, un, dau, tri. Okay, so before we do our warm-up, we're going to do a little hello and a welcome rhyme to welcome everyone to the session. All right, okay, so we're going to start by warming up those hands. Give them a shake, because they're going to do all the dancing. Are you ready? We're going to go open, shut them, open, shut them. Should we say hello? Hello! Open, shut them. Open, shut them. Shall we wave them, but this time, really slow? That's it. Open, shut them. Open, shut them. Can you build them up? Like bricks? Oh. And open, shut them. Open, shut them. We're going to wave them, but really quick. Yeah. Open, shut them. Open, shut them. Can you make yourself really small? Open, shut them. Open, shut them. Do you think they can crawl? Open, shut them. Open, shut them. Should we stretch them really high? Big stretch. Open, shut them. Open, shut them. They're going to be like stars in our sky. Yeah. Open, shut them. Open, shut them. Uh-oh, they're going to hide. Where have they gone? Open, shut them. Open, shut them. Can you wiggle them from side to side? Open, shut them. Open, shut them. Do you think they can make a sound? Yeah. Open, shut them. Open, shut them. Should we make them go round and round? Yeah. Open, shut them. Open, shut them. I bet we can make them clap. Open, shut them. Open, shut them. Should we do a big crocodile snap? Yeah! Open, shut them. Open, shut them. Are you ready to make them roar? Roar! Open, shut them. Open, shut them. We're going to sit up and place them on the floor. And we're going to do a big deep breath in. Wyt ti'n barod? And then we're going to let it come out. And again. Nice. And we're going to have a bit of a roll of the shoulders. A bit of a wave of the arms. And oh no, our hands are ready to go again. So we're going to shake them. Ready? We're going to shake. Oh no, freeze! Oh, shake them. Oh, where are they going to go? And freeze! Oh, I nearly got you then. Ready? Shake them. shake, 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 freeze. Yeah, Diane, well done. And we're going to shake them. And are you ready? We're going to give them a big magical blow. Ready? Uh-oh. I think they might have turned into spiders. Can you put your spiders all the way onto your toes? Tickle, 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 tickle. That's right. Are you ready? We're going to bring them up here and they're going to creep down your legs. We're going to go creep and crawl all the way down to your toes, and then they're going to do a big jump. 1, 2, 3. They're on my shoulders. Cheeky spiders. Waiting barrads, we're going to do it again. In, die, tree. Oh, they're in my hair. Oh, they might get a bit tangled in there. Are you ready? In, die, tree. Where are they going to go now? Oh, they're on my nose. Out of Troyne. Oh, nah. And last one, ready? In, die, tree. Oh, uh-oh, Arabella on my belly. It's time for a tickle. Tickle, 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 tickle. Oh, shake those spiders away. They're too tickly for me. Well done. Right, are you ready? We're going to stretch our bodies. So we're going to start off by stretching as big as we can. So mawr. Waiting barod. Un, dau, tri. Did you do it? Yeah, well done. And relax. Are you ready? Should we make ourselves as small as we can, okay? Bach. Ready? Un, dau, tri. Where did you go? Oh, there you are. You're just so small. Good job. Okay, you ready? We're going to try and make ourselves as wide as we can. And I want to see it in your faces too. Are you ready? Un, dau, tri. Are you really wide? Yeah, that was a great one. Well done. And are you ready? This is a good one. We're going to try a balance. So try not to wobble. Take extra care. Ready? Oh, what am I doing? 1, 2, 3. Oh, 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 oh. Yeah, good balancing. Well done. Okay, you ready? We're going to make a twisted shape. So something where all our body parts are twisted together. Are you ready? Un, dau, tri. Oh, wow, good twisting. And we're going to finish with my favourite shape. We're going to make a silly shape. So silly faces, silly body. Are you ready? Un, dau, tri. Oh, I think we can do another one. Are you ready? Un, dau, tri. Well done, they were fantastic. Right, to get us ready for our dancing, we're going to do some warm-up now, okay? Fantastic. Ready, we're going to go. Ha. That's it, clap your hands. Okay, ready? We're going to clap them up high, land. Yeah, Diane. Hello, down low. And we're going to give them a shake. Sing along. you around. Let's turn it into a bounce. Yeah, bounce your knees. And we're going to bounce our ball. So we're going to go bounce. Yeah. Can you change it into a roll, into a turn? Yeah. Oh, wiggle those hips. And have a bit of a twist. Anything you like. Uh-oh, the music's stopping. Are you ready to stop? We're going to go 1, 2, 3, freeze. Yeah, well done. Right, are you ready? I think we should play a game. Okay, are you ready to start our adventure underneath the sea? So we're going to play a little game, all right? So we're going to go swimming. So mewn nofio, okay, and we're going to, you can do front crawl, okay? We're going to go swimming, up and down. You can do breaststroke, so where we go out like this. Or we could do backstroke, or we could go backwards. And if you've got a nice floor, you can even try swimming on the floor. Or you can do it sat down exploring the ocean. So any kind of swimming that you like, okay? And then when our music stops, we're all going to do a big dive under the sea. So we're going to go all the way up and we're going to dive and we're going to be underneath the sea. And we're going to be different creatures. So have a think. What lives under the sea? I know we could be fishes. Can you make a fish with your hand? Yeah. We could be octopus. Ready? So we could go wiggle, wiggle, wiggle with all our legs. Ooh, nice. Uh-oh, I see an angry shark. Can you be a shark? Yeah, nice. What about a big blue whale? And he's going to take in all the water and then he's going to spurt it back out. Ready? Yeah. Oh, I know. I like dolphins. Are you ready? Can you make a little dolphin nose? And the dolphins, they go up out of the water and down. Up and down. And I really like a starfish. What about you? Do you think you can make a star shape? Pysgod Seren? Yeah, brilliant. So every time the music stops, we're going to dive in the water and have a look and see what creatures we can find. And then when the music comes back on, we're going to carry on swimming. Are you ready? Go swimming. Are you ready? Ready to dive? We're going to go up. Oh, I can see our octopus. Ready? Yay! Well done. Right, you ready to go swimming again? Oh. Ready to dive in? Ready? I can see a fish, Pysgod, swimming in the sea. Yeah, good fishes. Are you ready to go swimming? I'm going to try it on the floor this time. Should we dive in? Ready? Big jump. Oh, I can see that big whale. Are you ready? Remember, he gathered up the water and... Should we try it again? Ready? Gather up the water and... Wow! Right, let's go swimming. Ready to dive in? Ready, in, dive, tree. Oh, I can see a dolphin. Are you ready? Make your little dolphin nose and he's going to go up and down, up and down and swim in. Yeah, fantastic. Should we do one more? Ready? Well, here we go. Ready, big jump in. Ready, in, dive, tree, big jump. Down. Uh-oh, I think it's Mr. Shark. Ready? Snap, snap, snap. Yay! Well done. Good sea creatures, everybody. Okay, so if you can, now is your time to grab your scarf or bit of material, okay? Because we're going to use it to do a dance all together, all right? Now our scarf is going to be like the ocean, like the waves. So can you make it move? Yeah? And sometimes the waves are really calm. And sometimes they're really fast and really big. Yeah. Sometimes the water makes a whirlpool, so can you make your scarf go round and round? Yeah, Diane. And sometimes the water is really little and it's really calm. Yeah. And then a little bit of magic happens. In our dance, our waves turn us into a rainbow fish. So you're going to take your scarf, your colourful, colourful scarf, and you're going to become a rainbow fish swimming in the sea. Okay, so you can go any way you like, up and down, all the way around. But I want you to dance as if you're swimming like a really colourful fish. Yeah, and your fish might go round. Good, it might do big stretches. It might swim down low on the floor. Good, it might shake its tail. Okay, so we're going to be waves, like the water, and we're going to turn into nice rainbow fish. Are you ready? Yeah! Oh, ready, so we're going to start off calm, from side to side. Yeah, and then our waves are going to get a bit bigger, so they're going to go up and down, up and down. Yeah! We're going to make that whirlpool, so we're going to go round with our scarf. Can you make it go round? Yeah, make it go round. Yeah. And let those waves get bigger and bigger. And then are you ready? We're going to go swimming like our lovely rainbow fish. Here we go. And we're going to go round and round in the water. Let your tail go. And the other way. Yeah, and then really calm. Should we look in the sea, look in the water? What can we see? And the waves are going to go this way. And they're going to go that way. They're going to go side to side. And they're going to get big again. Really big. And into our rainbow fish. Here we go, swimming. Woo. We're going to go up and down. Round and round. Oh, here we go. Should we turn? And the other way. And then it's going to be soft, soft, soft. Soft? Yeah, it's nice and calm at our beach now. Uh-oh, the waves, they're going to get a bit bigger. Woo! And here we go, little fishies, here we go. Having a good swim. Woo! And then we're going to do the water nice and big. Yeah! That's it, here we go, side to side. Woo! Woo! Whoa! time now. Well, should we have a bit of a sing? Yeah, let's sing some songs all together. Some are going to be in Welsh, some are going to be in English, and some you might need your shaker for, because it's good to make a bit of noise, okay? Oh, this is one of my favourites. Are you ready? We're going to get our stars out. We're going to go, twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Oh, that was lovely, everyone. Down. We're going to do a tractor song now, okay? And you get to pick the colour that it's going to be. How cool is that? So we're going to bounce and drive our tractor. So what colour? Red. Let's start with red. Are you ready? Bouncing up and down on a big red tractor, bouncing up and down on a big red tractor, bouncing up and down on a big red tractor, bringing in the hay. Hey! Fantastic! Oh, pink! Nice. Nice pink tractor. Are you ready? Bouncing up and down on a big pink tractor, bouncing up and down on a big pink tractor, bouncing up and down on a big pink tractor, bringing in the hay. Hey! Blue! Ooh, nice. Right, are you ready? Bouncing up and down on a big blue tractor, bouncing up and down on a big blue tractor, bouncing up and down on a big blue tractor, bringing in the hay. Hey! Fantastic! Oh, you're shouting so many colours. I know. Let's do a rainbow tractor to finish. Yeah? Ready? Bouncing up and down on a big rainbow tractor, bouncing up and down on a big rainbow tractor, bouncing up and down on a big rainbow tractor, bringing in the hay. Hey! Hey! That was great. Well done. Right, have you got your instrument or shaker to hand? Because we're going to do Old MacDonald and we're going to create a little beat all together, yeah? That's it. Ready? So we're going to go, Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had some pigs! E-I-E-I-O, with an oink oink here and an oink oink there, here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had some cows. Ready? E-I-E-I-O, with a moo moo here and a moo moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had some dinosaurs? Wow! E-I-E-I-O, with a rah here and a rah there, here a rah, there a rah, everywhere a rah. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had some ducks! E-I-E-I-O, with a quack quack here and a quack quack there, here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack quack. Old MacDonald had a farm. Are you ready? We're going to do a big finish. Anything you like? E-I-E-I-O. Yeah, styled it out. That was brilliant. Well done, everybody. I know. Should we try another one? Yn Gymraeg. This one is all about our dancing fingers. Yeah? And counting. So, ready? We've got un bis, dau bis, tri bis yn dawnsio, pedwar bis, pump bis, chwech bis yn dawnsio, saith bis, wyth bis, naw bis yn dawnsio, 10 bis yn dawnsio llon. Yeah! So we're going to sing another song in Welsh, and this one is one of my favourites. It's called Mr Hapus, and it's a bit like If You're Happy and You Know It. Yeah, so see how you go with it. All right, ready? We're going to say, Mr Hapus, erdwi, ha, ha. Mr Hapus, erdwi, ha, ha. Mr Hapus, erdwi, Mr Hapus, erdwi, Mr Hapus, erdwi, Mr. Trist, Edwy, boo-hoo. Mr. Trist, Edwy, boo-hoo. Mr. Trist, Edwy, Mr. Trist, Edwy, Mr. Trist, Edwy, boo-hoo. Mr. Towel, Edwy, shh, shh. Mr. Towel, Edwy, shh, shh. Mr. Towel, Mr. Towel, Mr. Towel, Edwy, shh, shh. Mr. Suntlid, Edwy, hooray! Mr. Suntlid, Edwy, hooray! Mr. Suntlid, Mr. Suntlid, Mr. Suntlid, Edwy, hooray! Yay! I think Mr. Suntlid, Mr. Loud is my favourite. I like being loud. I can imagine some of you do too. Oh, I've had such a good time dancing with you all today. I hope you've enjoyed yourselves. Oh, fantastic. I can't wait to dance with you again. Right, I think it's time to finish our session. But before we do you think you can sit like me? Do you think you can sit up nice and straight? Yeah, fantastic. And try and relax as best you can. Now we're going to put on our king or our queen crown. Ooh, looking good. And it's a bit big, so we don't want it to fall off, okay? So we have to concentrate really hard to try not to make it fall off. So sitting up nice and straight. Fantastic. Uh-oh. Someone's just bought me a big cake. Should we look at it? Ready? Slowly, so your crown doesn't fall off. Oh, yummy. It looks lovely. And ready? Uh-oh. Someone's bought me a really nice pizza. Oh, it looks lush. Don't let your crown fall. Fantastic. What's happened to my... Have your hands turned into sparkly stars too? Can you do that? And our sparkly stars, they live up in the sky, don't they? So we're going to stretch them up high, and can you look at them? Yeah. And ready, we're going to let them drop. We're going to go 1, 2, 3. Well done. Are you ready? We're going to paint a rainbow over our heads. Are you ready? So this is my paintbrush, and I'm going to paint a big rainbow. And then this hand's going to paint a big rainbow. And then this hand. Yay! Lots of colourful rainbows over our heads. Good. And we're going to push our hands forwards. Wiggle those fingers. Good. We're going to have a nice big stretch, big yawn. Oh, a little bit of a shoulder roll. Uh-oh. I'm making waves again. Oh, they feel really nice. And I'm going to give myself a nice big hug. Is there anybody you're missing at the moment? Yeah, me too. I miss lots of people. So I'm going to give myself an extra big squeeze for all those people that I can't wait to give a hug to. Oh, Kuchmaur. That was nice. Well, thank you so much, and I'll see you again soon. Hwyl fawr!